ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮೂವಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
So the second innings of the match, 33 is the target. Anant is going to bowl the first over in this second innings, while UK Udupi has set the target of 33 against Sri Cricket Salettur. We have both the opening batsmen, Mr. Raghavendra and Shravan. The first delivery of the second innings. This time going for a big hit, chance of catch on the first delivery itself. Raghavendra has lost his wicket. A huge wicket falls, and Narasimha has taken the catch at the deep mid-wicket region. Big hitting batsman Raghavendra returns to the pavilion without giving any trouble to the scorer. And Sudeep is the one-down batsman being introduced from Sri Cricket Salettur. The score of 30 plus definitely looks big in this ground since we have witnessed a couple of matches. The team chasing the target of 30 plus is struggling, and 33 is the highest score which has been scored in this tournament as of now. So Sudeep, the wonder batsman, the outer edge of the blade, and a single has been taken at the silly point region. So Anant is bowling beautifully, who has taken the wicket of Raghavendra on his very first delivery itself. So the next match between Maduru and Pajakudlu. The toss has been won by Janani Cricket's Maduru, and they have selected bowling. Meanwhile, a wide has been given. So the score now is at second, 2 runs on the board for the one wicket. Very good piece of running directly, and the appeals for the run out denied by the umpire. It was a risky single taken by Mr. Shravan, and giving the strike to Mr. Sudeep. Fourth time in this over. Anant to Sudeep. Both are right-handed batsmen. This time once again taking the edge of the blade. A single has been added. It was a silly point region. Definitely the batsmen are looking for singles only, since if the strike is being rotated, you can reach the score. And Shravan is taking time since the sun is too hot. If he requires some drinking water, please Vinay can help. Players are requested to wear caps or hats, or at least a kerchief on their head. Since the sun is too hot, and it will be definitely difficult to play under this hot sun. So after this short recovery, the play will continue. Anand to Shravan this time. Score is at 4 for the loss of 1 wicket. Beautiful bowling by Ananta. No more addition to this score.
Sudeepa, run na tabe, Sudeepa. Starting run with
Just one delivery is left in this first over of Mr. Ananta, and as of now he has bowled very beautifully and given just 4 runs out of 5 deliveries. So Shravan is going to face Ananta for the last time in this over. Plays for a sweep down the leg. The single has been added after the end of the first over. 5 on the board for the loss of Rajendra.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಉಂಟು
ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಟೀಮ್
ಅಲೆತ್ತೂರು ತಂಡದ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ತಂತ್ರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ, ತಮ್ಮ ತಂಡದ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ತಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಗಳು ತಂಗಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು ಎಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಹೀಗಾಗಿದೆ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Meanwhile, some discussion is going on between Shravan and Nagaraj, and we believe Nagaraj is going to bowl the second over for his side, whereas the first over has been bowled very beautifully by Mr. Ananta, and he had given away just 5 runs while taking the wicket of Raghavendra. So Nagaraj to Shravan, the first delivery of the second over, while chasing the target of 32.
Yes,
Returns to the bowler, straight back to the bowler. No more addition to the scoreboard. Second time in this over, Nagaraj to Shravan on his legs, and definitely the form of leg by a single has been added. Anyhow, the batsmen have rotated the strikes, and score moves to 6 now. While the third delivery is to be bowled by Mr. Nagaraj to the one down batsman, the right-handed batsman Mr. Sudeep, who is an all-rounder. Definitely looking for the big one, but a clean bowled. Wonderful piece of bowling by Nagaraj. He has scalped the mid-wicket. Middle wicket, and Sudeep returns to the pavilion at the score of 6. And now the big hitting batsman, the left-handed attacking batsman Mr. Manjunath, is slowly moving to the crease. Who is going to be ably supported by Mr. Shravan. Well, 6 runs have been scored for the loss of a couple of wickets, and the second over is in progress. On the third delivery, they have scalped the wicket of Sudeep, Mr. Nagaraj. 4th time in this over to the left-handed, big hitting, well-known player Mr. Manjunath. That was a fantastic delivery, just outside the off-stick. Beautiful delivery by Mr. Nagaraj, completely beat on the batsman. This time in this over, Nagaraj, this was a beautiful delivery once again, and denied for any single by the fielder, who was taken the ball on his hand and returned the ball to the bowler. Wonderful piece of bowling as well as fielding by UK Udupi as of now. So last delivery of the second over, once again dancing beautiful delivery just outside the off stick, completely beaten by the batsman. So he couldn't score any run out of these 3 final deliveries. So after the end of the second over, we are at 6 runs for the loss of a couple of wickets. 27 runs are required out of 18 legal deliveries. And as of now, we can say that UK Udupi have controlled this match, since they have given away just 6 runs and taken away a couple of big wickets of Sri Cricket Selector. So the third bowler is Mr. Satwik. The third over being bowled by Mr. Sathwik. He is being introduced from UK Udupi side. This time down the legs, a wide call by the umpire in the form of extras. A score has been added. 7 on the board now. Shravan to face Sathwik. This was a juicy full toss, and definitely a boundary has been hit by Mr. Shravan. That was a deep square leg. It was a juicy full toss, and Shravan could not miss the opportunity to score 4 runs to his team. And the score now jumps to 11. Whereas only one delivery has been bowled in this third over. Eleven runs have been scored, and double of 11. That means 22 needed to be scored more. Sathwik to Shravan. One pitch delivery, but while the ball was placed towards the extra cover region, denied for any score by the fielder. Fantastic fielding by UK Udupi, we can say. We have witnessed a very good piece of fielding by UK Udupi. So once again, Sathwik to Shravan. This time wanted to hit the ball towards the extra cover region, but completely beaten. Beautiful piece of bowling. After giving away a boundary, couple of deliveries have remained and remained without any score, and on this occasion Shravan could able to rotate the strike and give the strike to the left-handed batsman Mr. Manjunath. So 6 runs on this 5 deliveries already. So last time in this last two deliveries left. Last two deliveries left. This third over. Sathwik to the left-handed batsman Mr. Manjunath. Once again beaten. Manjunath is being beaten consistently outside the off-stick. The 4th delivery in a row outside the off-stick to the left-handed batsman. So the final time in this over. This time he is going for a big one, and Anant drops the catch. Life has been provided to Mr. Manjunath. Well, the score now is at 13 after the completion of the third over. So 12 legal deliveries left and 20 runs are required. We have the opening batsman Mr. Shravan at the crease and the 2 down batsman, the big name as well as the big guy Mr. Manjunath is at the crease. So second time Mr. Nagaraj, and this will be the 4th over for his team. He had given away just 1 run in his first over and taken a wicket as well. So definitely a right choice taken by the UK cricketers to give the ball for the second time to Mr. Nagaraj. Once again beaten. Just outside the off-stick. Repeatedly Manjunath is aiming to hit the ball towards his leg side, but couldn't connect the ball. This time taking the ball on his legs. A single has been added since the ball goes to the declared region. Score is at 14. So third time in this over. Nagaraj who is bowling fantastically. Once again, outside the off stick. This time, a wide call has been given. Wide +1. A couple of runs have been added in the form of extras. Score moves to 16. And the fourth over is in progress. Just a couple of deliveries have been bowled by Nagaraj. We have Mr. Ganesh and Achal as the official umpires for this match. Very good fight between the ball and the bat. This time, once again, he has been beaten outside the off stick. Consistently, UK Udupi has been successful in what happened? Is that out? Stumped out? Stumped out. This time Manjunath has been given stumped out. I think the ball was returned after touching the leg of Shravan back to the wicket, and in that way he has been given stumped out. So Shravan, one more Shravan joins the opening batsman, Mr. Shravan. So both are Shravans now. Yajna. So Yajna is the third down batsman from Sri Cricket Saletur. The score is at 16. And 3 deliveries have been bowled. So Sri Cricket Saletur now definitely looking for big hits since they have to score 17 runs more out of 9 legal deliveries left in this innings. So Nagaraj has been bowling beautifully in his second over as well. This time the ball is in the air and chance of catch. Yajna returns to the pavilion. Still the batsmen from Sri Cricket Saletur are struggling to score the runs. And we have to wait and watch how the new batsman, Mr. Srishant, the left-handed batsman, is going to connect the ball. And a couple of deliveries left in this fourth over by Mr. Nagaraj. To the left-handed batsman, Mr. Srishant. This time going for a big hit, completely missed the ball. Anyhow, a single has been taken and gives the strike to his elder brother, Mr. Shravan. Both the brothers are playing at the crease now. Right hand and left hand combination. So last time in this over, Mr. Nagaraj, who has bowled fantastically in the second over as well. So Shravan this time played back to the bowler. Single has been taken. Definitely going for the second one. A wonderful run between the wickets, but Shravan has been given run out. So Shravan's wicket has also fallen. And just a single has been added at that last delivery. So the score is at 18. So 15 runs required in this last over. So Prakash is a new batsman. That means both the batsmen will be left-handed batsmen at the crease now. And Aditya is the new bowler. That is the fifth bowler, final bowler being introduced from UK Udupi, who is definitely aiming at controlling the team of Sri Cricket Saletur below the margin of 15. And both these batsmen who are known for their aggressive cricket, Srishant as well as Prakash, are aiming at to cross the margin of 15. So first delivery of the final over, played a reverse hit, boundary has been scored. Wonderful piece of reverse hit by Srishant. Boundary has been scored on the first delivery itself. So now 11 required out of 5. 22 on the board. 11 out of 5. What Srishant is going to do on this second delivery, we have to wait and watch. Going for a big one, completely missed by the batsman. Anyhow, the ball was missed by the keeper, Mr. Shravan as well. And there was every chance for a single score. And Srishant gives the strike to Mr. Prakash now. He is also a left-handed batsman. So now the equation is 10 out of 4. Aditya to Prakash. Down the legs. Wonderful piece of bowling. No more addition to the scoreboard. 10 out of 3. Beautiful piece of bowling by Aditya. Going for a run there. And a run out has been given now. That means no more addition to the scoreboard. 10 out of couple of deliveries left now. Surya is the new batsman now. He is going to join Mr. Prakash. So Srishant's wicket has been fallen in the form of run out. After scoring a wonderful boundary on the very first delivery of the final over. He couldn't score any more runs, and he is returning to the crease now. Pavilion now. So 10 runs required now out of 2 deliveries. Surya is facing the final, fifth delivery, and there was a chance for a single only in the form of twice. And now 9 runs required out of this final legal delivery. Here we go, the final delivery of the fifth. Back to the bowler. Only an addition of a single, and UK would be able to win this match with the margin of 7 runs against Sri Cricket Salituru. So we have the next match between Janani Cricketers Maduru against Sri Mahalingeshwara Cricketers Bajakudlu, while Janani Cricketers have won the toss and they have decided to field first. ಆಟಗಾರರಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿನಂತಿ, ಭೋಜನ ತಯಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಮೇಲಿನಿಂದ ಬರುವ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೋಜನದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಭರತ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ರವರು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ವೀಕ್ಷಕ ವಿವರಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಭರತ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ರನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಡೆದ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಯುಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಘೋಷಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನರಸಿಂಹ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಳಿ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮನಾಗಿ 11 ರನ್ನುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು 3 ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕಬಳಿಸಿದ ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ಯುಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಇವರು ಪಂದ್ಯ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ರಂಜನ್ ಹೊಳ್ಳ ಇವರು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಕರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ನರಸಿಂಹ, ಯುಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ರಂಜನ್ ಹೊಳ್ಳ ಅವರು ಪಂದ್ಯ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವೀಕ್ಷಕ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಭರತ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಇವರು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.